Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this episode we will be covering two Android vulnerabilities. One is P1, another is P2. So at first we will be covering Firebase information leakage. So in this vulnerability we will learn about decompilation of APKs a little bit. So this is a tool called APK Easy Tool, and you can compile, decompile, or even test the source code using this tool. So it's pretty simple actually. So first of all, we need to choose our APK. So I am just for testing purpose, I am using Nika's APK, and let's decompile it. So we have to wait till its decompilation is completed. So uh, af after the decompilation, we will be receiving a lot of files and lot of resources through which the app is created. So you have to check all of them and one by one, and if any sensitive information is leaked, you can report it directly. So the Firebase vulnerability is considered P1 as it contains all the user informations, payment informations, and everything of the users in its database. So it's a P1 vulnerability, and the other one is the external storage. I will show you in a bit. So this is taking a bit time. Let's wait. So the decompilation is successful, and we can go to the decompiled APK directory, and we can search for our file. So this is our file, and we can see there are a number of folders and files through using which the APK is compiled. So we have to go to the res folder, and then we have to move to values folder, and we can see that here's an file called strings.xml. We have to open it. As soon as we open it, we can see an XML document is opened, and there's a lot of information in it. Let's search for Firebase. You can see that here is the Firebase link. So Firebase is basically the database in which if the user information and other sensitive information is stored. So you just have to add .json after the Firebase URL, and the if it is leaking any kind of information, then um, it's a vulnerability. So let's check. As we can see, the web application is prompting with permission denied. So in this case, the application is not vulnerable, but this vulnerability may be present. So other than that, we also have another vulnerability. So in race folder, we will have to find uh, XML folder, and here you can find multiple XML documents. So find the network security config document and open it. We can see that in this document also there's nothing such sensitive information. So in this case, Nika is not vulnerable, but let me show you a POC of the external storage. This vulnerability is called external storage, in which the XML document stores some sensitive information of users or even the company, or payment information or username or password or something like that. You can also try searching these kind of fields in the strings.xml. For example, if I search here username, we can see that there are multiple parameters called username. So still it is not leaking any information, so that's a good news actually. But Let me show you the POC for external storage. I currently don't have any POC for Firebase database leakage, but I have a POC for the network security config. Uh, so this is the POC. As soon as we move to the res folder and external folder, we can see that the network security config file is leaking some kind of account password and account username. So in this case, this vulnerability is present in the application. So you can try searching in other files as well. For example, this seems interesting as it says backup in it. So you have to check thoroughly. This is a bit tense process, but yeah, if you find any kind of information leakage in this or any kind of username or password, you can report it directly to the target, and most probably you will be rewarded with more than $1,000 bounty. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye till then.